Aloha, my name's Jonathan, and I'm here to do an unboxing of the Angel Tarot and the Occult Tarot, both by Travis McHenry. Can't really see the name that well, but here, let me show you. Travis McHenry. Both are printed by Rockpool Printers, and I'm going to compare them side by side. Let's get started. Oh. Nice sturdy box. Neither one of them came with any scratches of any kind or any dents, which is unusual considering they were just loose in the box. So shows that it's probably going to be good for the long run. Oh, I guess I just put in a line by opening. Oh well. And let's see. Yeah, that one's pretty easy to take off too. And I did that in the bottom. Yep, I scratched the box with my key. Oh well. It happens. Each one comes with a... Ooh, it's actually really nice. Lots of information about the cards. There's the 6 archangels, and then the 72 angels. Each one just a little bit of information. It's not a lot, but it's a good spot to start from. Yeah. And then the occult one. Solomon and the Demons, preparing, calendar of summoning, using the occult tarot, questioning the demons, the 6 rulers. So we got the angels and the demons, looks like, on the 72. Let's get these out of here if I can. Seem to be trapped in there. There we go. Put those off to the side. There we go. So, gold band on the white and a red band on the black. Seems appropriate. Similar backs. Let me see. Start here. Yeah. I think they're not exactly in order. So it's not going to be exactly in order, but that's okay. So we got Archangel Michael as the Chariot, and Baphomet as the Magician. Nice cardstock, actually. Pretty thick. It's almost like thick paper. Then we have Beelzebub as the Moon, and Metatron as the Wheel of Fortune. Got Gabriel as the Moon, and Lucifer as Death. Hanel as lovers, Moloch as the devil, Samuel as the devil, and Azazel as Ace of Wands, Uriel as the Tower, Lucifer Jrofakal as Ace of Pentacles. There is no real rhyme or reason to these setups right now, so we got Vehua the Fool and Baal the Emperor. Got 2 of Wands, Jalil. 5 of Wands, Agrarius. So I could see how these could be shuffled, not together, but shuffled and used in conjunction with each other. We have Three of Wands, Sitiel, and the Tower, Vasago. Maybe I should have put these together. Oh well. I wanted to do an unveiling, so that's what we're both getting. Queen of Wands, Alamija, and Five of Pentacles, Gamig. Of course, I'm probably mangling the names, which is probably a good thing. No need to have any unintentional summonings going on. So, Four of Wands, Mahasaya. Ten of Wands, Marbas. Knight of Pentacles, Lelahel. Four of Pentacles, Baleful. Five of Pentacles, Achia. Two of Pentacles, Amon. So I see that they still have these same numbers are the same, and then they have their seals at the bottom and a little blurb about each of them. Ace of Pentacles, Cahethiel, and the Ten of Pentacles, Barbatos. Hierophant, Haziel, Queen of Wands, Paimon. Six of Pentacles, Aladia, Ace of Cups, Viewer. We have King of Swords, Lahuya, the Three of Cups, Guzian. Page of Swords, Hahahiya. Ace of Swords, Citri. Page of Pentacles, Azalea. Knight of Cups, Belith. Eight of Swords, Mebahil. Nine of Swords, Larail. Oh, I need to pause for a moment. Here we have Nine of Swords, Hariel, and the King of Swords, Adigos. So even though they're not in order that we think of for tarot, they are in order with each other. As you can see, Strength, Hakamiya, and the Lovers, Zepar, they're both 16 in the lineup. So I'm not sure why they're so different between the decks, but Ten of Swords, Luahia. Page of Swords, Botis. Justice, Khalil. Knight of Wands, Bathin. Oh, Two of Cups and Two of Cups. They're lined up this time. Leuia and Salos. Causes the love of women to men and of men to women. Fruition provides expansive intelligence and gives the grace of God. I have a feeling it's going to be like this the whole way through. So I don't know if I should pause this and put them in tarot order. I guess we'll just keep going. We got Queen of Cups, Pahalia, and Four of Wands, Person. the Hanged Man, Nulchel, and Page of Pentacles, Marax. We have Three of Cups, Eial, and Two of Wands, Epos. And they're both number 22 in the Kabbalah, I guess. We have Four of Cups, Malahel, god of deflecting evil, and Five of Cups, Aim. Is he riding a snake? Interesting. We have Knight of Wands, Hahuya, Seven of Pentacles, Naberius. The Magician, Nithahalia, and Seven of Wands, Glacialabolas. Probably totally mangling these names, but that's okay. Five of Wands, Ha'ahia, the Sun, Boon. Got the Page of Wands, Arathael, and Eight of Wands, Ronov. Here we have Six of Wands, Sihia, King of Pentacles, Berith. As far as I know, the angel and the demons that are connected by these numbers here are opposites of each other, so this angel keeps this demon in check. So Seven of Wands, Rael, Justice, Astaroth. Here we have Ace of Wands, Omel, and the Six of Cups, Fornius. Eight of Pentacles, Lacabel, Nine of Cups, Foras. The Star, Vasara, King of Wands, Asmodeus. Nine of Pentacles, Ayahuya, the Star, Gap. King of Pentacles, Lahia. Wow. I don't know how to say that. Lahahia. And the Ten of Cups, Furfur. Furfur? Okay, I would make fun of that name, Furfur, but I don't want that demon deer coming after me. Temperance, Hakaya, Nine of Wands, Marchosius, Ten of Pentacles, Manadiel, Page of Cups, Stolas. I like that one, actually. It doesn't look like a very scary demon to me. Teaches astronomy and the values of herbs and precious stones. We have Two of Swords, Anil, and the Queen of Cups, Phoenix. Doesn't that seem like a phoenix? Interesting. Phoenix, Phoenix. I wonder where that came from. I wonder if they demonized the phoenix. Teaches all sciences, performs wonderful poetry, follows all requests with excellence. I mean, why is that evil? I don't get it. Anywho. Queen of Swords, Haamiya. Two of Swords, Halfas. Three of Swords, Rahel. Ten of Swords, Malphas. Well, isn't that a naughty little black bird? builds houses and high towers, destroys an enemy's thoughts and desires and all they have built, gives good familiars. Love and submission, cures illness, influences paternal love, gives long life. I do find these interesting. Page of Cups, Eazal. That's too many vowels in line for me. Three of Cups, Raum. Almost sounds like rum. We have Four of Swords, Hahahel, and the Eight of Swords, Focalar. The Emperor, Mikhail. Eight of Cups, Pipar. Oh, the Emperor, another spelling, like the demonic spelling of that. I'll have to go back and look. Five of Cups, Veulala, something like that. Five of Swords, Subnok. Quite handsome in his knightly uniform with the lion's head. High Priestess, Ilalaha. Four of Cups, Shax. Oh, that's... what? It's a bird riding a horse? Huh. I don't know if you can see that very well, but yeah. We have Six of Cups, Celia, Strength, Vine. Oh, there's that knight with the lion's head again. Huh. All these drawings supposedly came from original manuscripts from medieval times. So, Knight of Cups, Ariel, the Hanged Man, the Franz. Oh look, he just took his skin off. Ooh. Seven of Cups, Azalea, Three of Wands, Bual, the Empress, Mahal, Queen of Pentacles, Ha'aganti, Eight of Wands, Vihul, Temperance, Kroko. We have King of Wands, Daniel, and the Hermit, Furcus. He actually does look like a hermit, doesn't he? And there's my dog snoring. Nine of Wands, Hasia. Page of Wands, Balaam. Judgment, Imamahia. King of Cups, Alosir. Ooh, he's got a unicorn. That's cool. We have Ten of Wands, Nanel, the Fool, Cameo. Ace of Cups, Nathal. Six of Wands, Murmur. Oh, and my son's stuff is a little loud over there. Queen of Pentacles, Mebahia. Three of Pentacles, Orobas. Dude with a horse head. Creepy. Two of Pentacles, Poyel. The Empress, Gremory. Seven of Pentacles, Namaya. Seven of Cups, Ose. Three of Pentacles, Aiala. Six of Pentacles, Amy? There's a demon named Amy? Okay. Knight of Swords, Harahel. The Hierophant, Aureus. Got Four of Pentacles, Mizrael. The World, Vapula. Ace of Swords, Umbel. Eight of Pentacles, Zagan. Five of Swords, Iahel. Wheel of Fortune, Valak. Six of Swords, Anuel. The Chariot, Andras. That is very bloody. The Sun, Mihil. Knight of Swords, Haris. Ooh, it's a Catman. The World, Damabia. Queen of Swords, Andreelphus. Is that a donkey dude with peacock tail? Wow. Seven of Swords, Monakel. Four of Swords, Simiz. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I don't know if I'm saying any of these right, truthfully. So, Eight of Cups, Ayal. Nine of Pentacles, Amduskius. Nine of Cups, Habuhia. Judgment, Belial. King of Cups, Rochelle. Knight of Pentacles, Decarabia. Something like that. He's just like a head with four arms. That's so weird. The Hermit, Iabamia. Six of Swords, Siri. Wait, does this Hermit have a tail? Totally looks like he has a tail. Ten of Cups. High Priestess, Dantalion. Oh. Looks like a hermaphrodite with the sun and moon. The last ones we have Death, Mumia, and Seven of Swords, Andromalius. Interesting. So, that's the Angels Tarot next to the Occult Tarot. At some point I should probably put them in order of the Tarot and put them and compare them that way too. But for now, this should do to at least give you a taste. These just came out this month. I had pre-ordered them, I think, at the beginning of January, and Amazon kept giving me reasons why they weren't being shipped yet, but eventually they finally did ship them, and it actually didn't take very long to get to me once they did ship. So thanks so much. This is my first video, so please be kind in the comments and tell me what you think. And I guess subscribe. I don't know if I'm probably going to still keep putting out some more videos, so hopefully you will like them. Thank you so much.